Residents of Madanriting Block G have raised concerns over the dilapidated state of their footpath, which has been neglected despite repeated pleas to the area's MLA. With no action taken, the locality, home to over 240 households, has now sought help from the chief executive member of the KHADC. In response to a formal letter from the local headman, village council and residents, the CEM visited the area to assess the situation. During his inspection, he noted the poor condition of the road, which poses significant challenges for students, women and daily commuters, especially during the monsoon and winter seasons. Acknowledging the urgency of the matter, the CEM of the KHADC assured residents that within 2 months of his tenure, he would strive to secure support and initiate new schemes to upgrade the footpath into a motorable road for better connectivity and convenience.
Ni jane te kata kajing te leite kapa haman laki kami ken nadu kalenti nadu ka nadu ki nadong sedang hi long pasadin ken dan rei ngi kum kinong songdong hane ngi dap hada jing sokia nama lada mano gi ba wan pej wan jingo ki wan sorbe kinsu kular yang itang kaktin deh. Reda tangha ki por tebut suam tebut itu ki persyang bapli ben yawan wat but yang ima. Teh renda la dai ka porpat dakila job ne kila remne kila jano teh. Kim yawan pecure kim yawan kemi sure yang kila su ken bet yang kum kita ki ruklau ken namar kum kane kadong mana wan perkat menong ba kat kata kesinong madan riting ki bala alang briu katne kajaka ka puta sene pat kalenti singkin undon ka yat ka yang miabiang te ki imat ki la su snaulut kesan ngatharai namar labun ki jing labun palat ki jinglut tharai ndapet bun ba kiawan pech yawan jengok kumne kiawan hi kumne ba plin ong re ba ki khamwan kiawan pech kiawan yu kijat hi kidawan pech hi na dong sadong na du na te na nang sadu sene sepo kila yawan hi long lem kumbalong kiwe mo kiwe ki sinong kiwe ki dong sisin bala adon ki ying briu kalenti surak wadam yo katak surak ke ba he ke ba janai ru lamun ong no kum ki footpath ki telong tangkat benya suk benya kijat benya lek school lek bela lek sngi khamtam ba sitom ba ya kit ki neki ba ya pang ba ya jenjar ba plimo tengi hap ya kit da kamet ya khamtam ya kinong armet ni hap sia sinada ki krong kan poi perkhat chu hi kum kita ki sinong sor labun ong kadang long kum kita ki rukom poi perkhat chu re nadu ba job ba arden pajuan re mar ba arden ngan yatu yapi te ulawan bunsin ulawan sene lada ja kaya breu ke airu ulawan hi banrung ying haying jong kine ki bayaji am to kil ulawan ulati bahaya kan lenti ulayat survelut ba arden lei te ha to kasnem ayure se kongmom ya kane kane kalenti ni kerpat mangi kinong syong syane nomor ha kapor bal porliur ubalam re kane ai warden nama nane ai ubalam nane sete ya nama nane untuk jingking ne ai ubarden ubarden ndang ne jingking ha kato kasnem ba ai ubarden yang kerpat mangi kinong syong dong hane hi ni kerpat ya ubarden tengi Yang ba kibreu basa sini siliang na dai porliur bakli le school ki khun kim lachu ni siangom me kanete.
On the same day, the chief executive member of the KHADC also visited Pokseh East to inspect speed breakers installed in the area. The inspection followed complaints from residents about reckless driving due to the absence of speed breakers, leading to frequent accidents and injuries, especially affecting children and elderly pedestrians. The CEM's visit has sparked hope among the affected communities, with assurances of prompt intervention to address these long-standing grievances.
kadau bapenlong yang banwan hakani ka dong hani ka shnong hadin bangayo ban pediang ni kawi ka shiti kabala tho nakaliang ka dong irang ba dong secretary bat paro kinong shong dong hani kibadon palat omdunai ka arspa saupho yeng ka shiti ka baki tho ki penpau baki don jing kamtam hakabede bat ka jingbom biang ki lentiyai ki footpath bat kiwe te nakaliang jongi ngi sudai le se ban wan ban jungot dalade ban lap e jing shisha ban yi ban sakhi dalade habede jinglong jingman jongkani ka dong block G hang ni hapo madan ting te hadin bangi yo ban wan ban jungot ni lap dang don shisha bun ki jingdon kamtam haka lentiyai namar kalabu jing kamtam yi babun kinong shongdong hang ne nadu kilong keme kilong kpa taki khon ki kti ki balik school ki balik tray ba kamtam haka poliur bat wat portalang ru ka stom namar ba kabampat long baha kanika lentiyai te nakaliang jungi lawan jungok komni te ngila yi bat nakaliang jungi ngin persyang le se kat pala ban thaulat nang nu ngin yo jingherap ban yo ban ai ka dong bakin sedang ban penbaha ban maramot dan ban tray thmai yakin ni kilenti ki babun hakani ka dong but kermans camp ba kani ka jinga penduk lang jungi so ngo ikini kilong keme ki blai up naduk menne ban don lang bat ngi ban le jungo ikini ka dong gumju baki rang ba dong secretary dong te kat ka bala hai por balingkot si ka ba ngin yo ban trai kam stang kumba arbanai lai banai kum MDC bat kum CM jongka district council te ngin persyang kat bala hoi jingdon kam si ka babun kumbangi te kat ka banang yo ngin nang la ban yarap iki te nakaliang jungi tang kat tahi kermens kemba kani ka jingya dai ka jungi bat ka dong bat kinong shong dong hani kanam kut tang mentah sengi ndrei kana ya beteng ling baki kam ki babun ki bangin nang yo ban trai hakani ka dong block G haka shnong madan ting hibrok kawe kublish